What is exciting is not what AI can do alone. It is what we can do together.
Inbound is a vibe. It is the only event that's actually a vibe, and I'm stoked to be here.
My challenge to you is don't stop there. This is where the journey starts.
We have to create our own algorithms. Yeah. We have to wake up in the morning and seek out good and seek out hope and seek out the leaders and seek out the captains. And then we slowly watch our lives open up because it's all about what we're focusing on.